Namaste everyone. Welcome to this 17-minute splits stretch routine. If you're practicing splits or just want to improve your flexibility, this session is perfect for you. No pressure, no rush. Just follow along, breathe and stretch. Ready? Let's get started. To start with, let's come into the tabletop. We'll go for a few rounds of cat-cow stretch, keeping your fingers spread wide and knees slightly away from each other. Let's begin. Inhale to look up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale and down. Continue for 3 more times. 3, 2, and 1. And then relax. Now, from here, bring your right leg to the outside of your right hand and press your hips all the way down. Feel free to adjust your hands as needed. Allow your hips to go down, breathing normally through the stretches. Observe this nice and a gentle stretch around your right hip flexors, even around your left. Now from here, we'll enter into the half split. Inhale, exhale, straighten up your front leg, point your toes up towards the ceilings and allow the upper body to go all the way down. Wherever you can reach for your maximum without pushing yourself too much. Again, inhale, shift the weight forward, exhale and release. We'll now go for the quad stretch. Now from there, take the left leg toes up, stretch your right hand all the way back, and now as you exhale, bring the left heels closer to the hips. Feel the stretch getting deeper around your quads as you continue to bring the heels towards your hips. We're gonna stay here for a few more breaths and then slowly release. Now from here, taking the variation of the lizard pose, go down onto the forearms. Try to keep your weight equally distributed between both your palms and continue to press the hips down. If you wish to take a little intensity here, just lift your back leg knees off the mat. Nice. Allow your body to now slowly roll front and back, trying to still keep your back leg straight and active. Just a little bit more. 3, 2, and 1, and then release. Come up onto your palms. Now, from here, Walk your right leg a little bit more in front, and once again allow your body to go completely down. Keeping the weight majorly around your hips. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, once again enter into your half split. Relax your leg muscles, point your toes up, bring your head all the way down again. Take a deep breath in and a deeper breath out. See if you can now slide your heels a little bit more in front. Now, if this feels like your maximum for today, just try to hold here and continue. Later on, you can always come back to our session and finish the entire session. Press your hips down. Nice. Inhale, exhale, straighten up your legs. Try to now further take the right leg heels in front and press your hips down. Moving your hips up and down. Take a deep breath in and a deeper breath out. Continue. 3 more times. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Press your hips maximum down, and now further slide your legs forward. Since your legs are on the outside at this moment, the stretch here can feel better. Maintain. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale. Exhale. Take your right leg all the way back. Let us now repeat the same stretches to the other side. Inhale, bring your left leg to the outside of your left hand. Exhale and press your hips all the way down. Taking a few deeper breaths, observing for how this stretch feels on this side of your body. Feel free to move yourself side to side or a little bit up and down, deeper into the stretch. Inhale, and as you exhale, enter into the half split again. Keep your left leg straight, point the toes up, bring your head all the way down. Breathing through the stretch. Observe the stretch getting deeper on your calves and your hamstrings as you continue to go a little bit more down. Inhale, shift the weight forward in front. Exhale. Relax your breath. We'll go for the quad stretch on this side as well. Place the part just above your knees onto the mat and then grab your right toes with your left hand. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Bring your heels towards your hips. Be careful with the knee joint. Do not over push yourself here in this stretch. Just enjoy wherever you are today. Inhale and exhale. Release your right leg. Enter onto the forearms, taking the variation of the lizard pose. Completely optional. See if you can lift your back leg, knees off the mat. Once again, moving the body front and back. 2, 3, just a little bit more. 4, relax. Drop your knees down, come back onto your palms. From there, walk your left leg a little bit more in front. We are just trying to increase the distance between our both legs slowly. Press the hips. Relax here for a few more breaths. Inhale, and as you next exhale, half split, straighten up your front leg. Bring your head all the way down again. Relax your breaths, trying to still take normal breaths as you were breathing in the very beginning. Inhale, shift the weight forward. Relax your breath. We're now going to take the left leg slightly more forward. You can just slide your heels, or if you're wearing a socks, it can go a little bit more easily. Press your body down. Maintain. 3, 2, and 1. Straighten up your left leg. Hold it there and see if you can now go a little bit more deeper into this stretch. Now it can take days, weeks, or even months to get your splits till this level. All I would say is, do not give up on yourself. Keep practicing regularly, and in no time you will see your splits progress a lot difference. Stay for just a few more breaths. Inhale, and as you next exhale, take your left leg all the way back. Perfect. Now, if you can go till there, from there we'll now practice for our splits, bringing your right leg now in between your palms and pressing the body down. Press your hips down. Now here, if you're not comfortable reaching all the way down, take the support of the blocks. Place your blocks under your palms and press your body more down. Try not to lean forward on your front leg. Inhale, exhale, straighten up your front leg, half split again, head all the way down. Inhale, look up, shift the weight forward, exhale, and the hips down. From here, just move your body up and down again. Every time you exhale, go down. See if you're comfortable to go a little bit more deeper. 3, feel the stretch on your left hip flexors. 2, and 1. Inhale, exhale, straighten up your front leg, head all the way down. Inhale to look up, relax your breath. Now we're gonna go maximum deeper from here. Take your right leg all the way in front. If this feels like your maximum, just hold it here. If you can further go down, slide your right heels all the way in front and hold. Keep taking normal breaths. 1, 2. Trying to bring the left thighs towards the ground. 3, 4. Just one last breath. And 5. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. And as you exhale, take the right leg back. Let us now repeat the same stretches to the other side. Inhale, bring your left leg in between your palms. Exhale, and the hips down. Adjust the height of your blocks and take your shoulders all the way back. Enjoy this beautiful stretch. Inhale and exhale. Take a deep breath in, and now as you exhale, enter into your half split. Straighten up your front leg and bring your head all the way down. Feel free to slightly bend your knees if this feels too intense. Gradually, with time, with practice, your legs will go all straight, even without pushing yourself. Inhale, shift the weight forward in front. Walk your left leg forward. Exhale, and the body down. Moving your hips up and down a few times here. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, exhale, half split. Take your head down one last time, completely down. Rest either the forehead or the chin onto your shin. 2 and 1. Inhale, shift the weight forward. Let's try to go completely into our splits from here. Slide your left leg heels forward. Allow the body to go all the way down. Relax. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just one last deeper breaths. And 5. Inhale, exhale. Take your left leg all the way back. And then sit down onto your heels. Allow your legs to now completely relax.